Hi guys, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Stories by Andrula, and today I have something super duper fun planned with strawberries. We are going to create a starter, a savory dish out of this gorgeous beautiful fruit. A strawberry and a feta crostini. So, let's get started.
And पहला चीज जो हमें चाहिए वो है these beautiful strawberries. Cut 1 cup of strawberries into 1/2 inch cubes and keep aside. And then take 2 tablespoons of almonds and chop it very roughly. And उसके बाद चाहिए हमें पुदीना यानी कि mint. 2 tablespoons of that. Again chop it roughly. Now put the strawberries in a bowl and add in 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Add in the chopped mint and the chopped almonds. Add salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes. Crumble in 50 grams of feta cheese. And now mix it all really well till all the salad comes together. Wow, just look at the color on this. And oh my god, it's really yummy. And now we're going to take a multigrain bread loaf and cut it into 1/2 inch thick slices. This recipe yields 6 crostinis, so I'm cutting only 6 slices. Look at how nice they look. And we're going to heat up a pan, drizzle on about a tablespoon of olive oil and toast off the bread over a low flame till it's crispy and golden. Alternatively, you can also bake them in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade till it's nice and crisp. Now top the toasted bread with the strawberry salad, generously of course, and our crostini is almost ready. Wow, doesn't it look absolutely gorgeous? I'm going to go and garnish it with a little sprig of mint to make it look even prettier.
Ta-da! Look at how beautiful these strawberry feta crostinis look. And guess what guys, these are super duper healthy. So you can have an absolute guilt-free Valentine's Day with your loved one. I'm off to enjoy these. I really hope you do like this recipe. And of course, if you do, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video. And don't forget to click on the bell icon below so that you get notified of any new video that comes up. I'm off. Bye-bye.